you know, on a normal day for me, I will wake up, I meditate, I exercise, and then I go to like one of my favorite juice places, and I get some like kale and spinach juices.
Wow.
Yeah, it sounds crazy, but they're not bad. And then I had this weird juice that I ended up not liking, but it had like kale, parsley, spinach,
Lots of kale in your
cucumbers.
juices.
I know. I'm trying to like get all my
the
greens.
two combined, like kale and juice in one sentence, scares me a little.
But sometimes they can be really good. I just hate eating my vegetables, so I have to
You
drink
drink
them.
them. You have to like do it as fast as
Yes.
you can.